I've been coming to Marc School of Woodworking for 4 years. My first class was a class in furniture repair and restoration, and I took that class because so far all I had ever done was restore things that had already been built. And as I learned more about the school and about the truly warm and casual and friendly environment here, I looked into the master's curriculum, and I realized the master's curriculum would give me all of the core skills that I needed so that I wouldn't have to worry only about making or remaking things somebody else had already done. I could then mill my own pieces for repairs. I could make my own piece of furniture if I wanted. And so the master's program has given me skills in safety, first and foremost, but then also carving, joinery, chair making, hand skills. I can't remember what else there is, veneering as well, and a few others that now I've had enough exposure that I feel comfortable in my own shop, and I also can now decide what direction do I want to branch out in for additional coursework. Wow, I would say that no matter how good of a woodworker you are currently, or if you're just beginning, you will learn a consistent foundation of core skills that will level set you for all advanced work that you might be interested in doing. And as well, as part of the master curriculum here, you are required to take an elective course, something outside of the basic woodworking, wood manipulating. And that also gives you an avenue to explore other creative facets that you might be interested in. The program here, as well as all the courses here, there's something for everyone.